Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. 100% win rate and 1600 profit today with CryptoMaster 2 trading software. And in today's video I will make a live trading session using CryptoMaster 2 trading software. And if you want to see the results, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hello my beloved traders, what everybody doing? I hope everybody's fine and you had your Christmas with your family and everything was delightful like it was on my own. Now in today's video I will make another trading session using CryptoMaster 2 trading software, which it was this year my favorite trading software because delivers the best trading results from all the trading software that I've been using this year, 2020. So I encourage you to try this software, CryptoMaster 2. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for your convenience. And for those of you who don't know what CryptoMaster 2, CryptoMaster it is an automatic trading software that helps you to trade, to place the trades in the signals into your broker account. As you can see here, my broker, it is Investus, and all you have to do is to choose one of the signals provided here in this box. Click on the trade button and the software will automatically place the signal, the trade into your broker account, and it will automatically set the take profit, the stop loss, and also the lot volume, so you don't have to worry about anything. Now I started this account with $250. I already made an withdrawal at $10,000. That's why my profit is 14,775 and the balance is 4,000 because I already withdraw $10,000. Now I have 4,775 into my account, and I plan to make another withdrawal on $10,000. Now let's prepare for that being said, let's prepare for this trading session. I will choose some signals from here, but first thing first, I want to make some I will make some adjustments here on these settings. And maximum daily trades, it will be 20 here. Maximum concurrent trades 20. Also here daily stop loss, it will be 2000, and daily take profit 2000 also. Always trade on short term. This is what I do. As you can see here, success and save settings. Now all the settings are saved, and in today's trading session I will trade with $200. And so for this you need to set here the stop loss and take profit on $200. And don't forget to click this here, otherwise you will be not able to trade. As you can see, if I'm clicking here now, the trading setting is deactivated, and just activate it here, and now it's on. And this is all you have to do in order to use this particular trading software, CryptoMaster 2. Now if there are traders between you that you are actually using this trading software, I want you to send me some comments, to put some comments here below this video in the comments area and tell me how it's going for you. Now let's start this trading session, and I will choose here Australian dollar, Swiss franc. First thing first, go to the economic calendar. Don't forget to go to the economic calendar before you start trading and see if there are free star news, and avoid those pairs with the free star news, because that means there is a big volatility on those particular assets. So just check the economic calendar and don't trade those assets. I already did this. Let's try Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's try also Bitcoin Euro, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I don't want to trade too many crypto assets, because you saw that there is a big volatility in the crypto market. The Bitcoin just raised with 10%, and this is crazy. For those of you who are smart and you put some savings in Bitcoin, now you have big profits on Bitcoin, and also on the other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and so on. Let's see if we can find another one. Let's see Euro USD, Euro GBP. So we have enough for today. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 trades for today. That's it. So that being said, I will be back to you with the results of today's trading session, because from my experience I know that this will take some time in order to complete, in order to close these trades that I already placed. And for those of you who you want to start and you don't know what setting to use here, just email me at chrisbraga@gmail.com and I will send you my settings that I started with $250. So stay here, don't go, I'll be back with the results. Just 1 second. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session using CryptoMasterBot 2, and as you can see, already 4 trades are closed, and now more 4 trades will be closed soon, and all the 4 trades now are in the money, and we have a profit for today of $800. And as you can see now, the profit is set to show the daily profit, not the overall profit. So many of you are asking why it's showing this profit here, the overall. Now as you can see, another 2 trades are closed, and now we have $1,200 profit in today's trading session. Another one is closed, and this one, it is a profit too, is $1,400 profit in today's trading session. So let's see what will happen with the last one, which is Euro USD, and it is a sell. Let's see what will happen. We have AUD, Australian dollar, Swiss franc, which was a sell, and this one, it is a winning trade. Australian dollar, US dollar, it is a buy, winning trade. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, a buy and winning trade. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it is a buy, winning trade. Bitcoin Euro, it was a sell and a winning trade. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, sell, a winning trade. Euro GBP, it is a sell and also a winning trade. So this is fantastic. 7 from 8 trades now are closed, and all are winning trades. So never happened to me to all the trades to be in the money. If this one Euro USD, it will be in the money also. It will be a 100% winning ratio, which is great for a trading software. Actually, it's unbelievable, because I didn't saw too many trading softwares to have 100% winning ratio, but let's wait and see what will happen with this one. And this one is, yes, in the money and 100% winning ratio with CryptoMasterBot 2 trading software in today's trading session, live trading session. And as you can see, we have a total of $1,600 profit today, and now my balance is $6,375, which is great. Now, if you want to try, if you want to use Crypto Master Bot 2, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. If you have question, put the question in the comments area below this video. And don't forget, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new video. That was the video for today. I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.